Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification.
Hey guys, welcome to another day of vlogging. आपको पता है every December I always do vlogs. It's not just December, depends upon my mood, but that's the time I travel. Christmas, New Year. Ah! So totally excited, and I'll show you. Come, my little one was waiting. She's going on asking, when are you going to do YouTube vlog? When are you going to do a YouTube vlog? And finally, we are doing a YouTube vlog. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
So we are going for a big trip this time. I'm going to Bombay, Mumbai, Amchi Mumbai, जहाँ पे मेरी सासू माँ रहती है, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, friends are staying. I have like huge, big family and friends staying there in Mumbai, जिनको नहीं पता. And after this, like we're going to Mumbai, then we're going to Nasik, then we're going to Lonavala, and then we are coming back to Chennai, and then we're going to Goa. Wow, this is going to be a big trip. Big trip. Okay, so and I'm totally excited this time because बहुत wait किया यार, बहुत wait किया, and I've been working like crazy. So I think my last vlog was on award show, but I did Diwali vlog, but I have not uploaded that yet. I do not know कि ये obviously upload हो चुका होगा क्योंकि ये video इसके बाद जाएगा, दिवाली vlog के बाद ही जाएगा. So everything is just like no time for YouTube, but been busy all the time. And yeah, I'll keep telling you all क्या हो रहा है, क्या मैं कर रही हूँ, कहाँ जा रही हूँ vlogs में. So catch you guys soon. पता नहीं को फोड़ा हो गया यार. Whenever I travel, why I get a pimple? Because I'm dimple. Finally, we have reached the airport. This time the airport check-in was a little weird. You can't believe it. And we had to remove my boots. My boots was removed. Everything is removed. They said to finish this Red Bull, then they'll give me my boarding pass. 100 ml also is not allowed. Can you believe it? So we are done the check-in. The bags have been checked. We have been checked. Only thing I need to get my boarding pass if this is over. She told I'm gonna throw it. I said no, I'll finish it in front of you. Finally, we got a boarding pass. And this time boarding pass अलग ही है. मतलब सब online ही booked है. Everything. Show me. It comes like this. ऐसे आता है अभी. पता है द बेस्ट पार्ट इज जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी, एंट्री मारी थी, तो एक पुलिस ऑफिसर आके बोलती है मेरे को कि वाओ यू हैव अमेजिंग आईज एंड आई लाइक द वे यू हैव डन योर आईज एंड आई लाइक द वे यू डन योर ब्राउज. मैंने कहा अच्छा तो एक काम कीजिए ना, डिम्पल डिज़ाइन्स यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो. आई एम सो वियर्ड. जहाँ पे भी जब अपना एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रही हूँ. ओके रोनी, everybody hi. My husband. This is my outfit, guys. I didn't show you my outfit. दिखाऊंगी बाद में. My hair is looking too sexy, man. guys, finally Mumbai. You know Mumbai journey 2 घंटे के होते हैं, और हमारा मुंबई का जर्नी was literally I left the house at 1 o'clock. We reached Mumbai at 10. We have flights because of COVID. Seriously. पता नहीं जब भी मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ हेडेक क्यों होता है, गॉड नोज. बट जब भी मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ मैं सो जाती हूँ. आई एम ओनली बिन स्लीपिंग. Ronnie, number 12. So we're going to pick up the baggage. Literally, I told my mother not to give. My mother doesn't listen. Extra bag. Parcel for my mother-in-law. Why moms are like this? Never listening. इतने प्यार से हम बेच रहे हैं और इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल. You have to take and go. You have no other option. Emotional blackmail. So chalo, we'll pick up the baggage and I'll get in touch with you again. Okay guys, finally we reached Mumbai. हम मुंबई एयरपोर्ट में हैं. Seriously. It's so suffocating. My God, this trip I'll never forget. So I'm waiting for my brother-in-law and sister-in-law to pick me up. काफ़ी अच्छे एयरपोर्ट बनाए हैं लोगों ने यार. Seriously, everywhere I can see is only fountains, colorful fountains, green fountains, red fountains. Mumbai airport, ज़बरदस्त. Hey guys, I've reached Mumbai in my house and I could not vlog whole way because पता नहीं सर दर्द हो रहा था. So I'll make you meet my Santa Claus, which is become more prominent कि this is Santa only. इन्होंने टैग बना के रखा है. No, it's vlog. Come, my Santa, show your super face. Oh. Hey, hi. Hi. Santa. So I told my sister-in-law to put on little weight, which she's put on and she's looking better. But I told my brother-in-law to lose weight. Looks like he took it very seriously. Oh, finally! कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है पता नहीं हम कहाँ आ गए. Wow, lights all over. Mummy, my mom-in-law. सबको hi बोलो. Hi. My sweet Archies. एंड हुक्का चल रहा है अभी. हुक्का बन रहा है. क्रिसमस ईव है. बाद में जिनको नहीं पता है मुंबई में कर्फ्यू लगी हुई है. सो आफ्टर 10 वी कांट गो एनीवेयर आउट. या द रिक्रूटर उफ मिस्टर एप्पल, द मोस्ट फेमस पर्सनैलिटी, डीगो पर्सनैलिटी. काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो गया बंदा. हाय तो बोलो. डिमांड में इनके अंडर 500 होस्ट है. 500 मिनिमम 500. बस हम हुक्का पीने वाले हैं. वी गोइंग टू चिल एंड या लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस टू ईथन. ईथन कम.
Mama, I'm taking a video also.
या सो दिस इज माय sister-in-law's son. Ethan, say hi to everybody. Itu.
Hi. Mama, I'm also taking a photo. Look.
Wow.
I'm showing everybody also.
And my daughter, you have seen me. Come over here. Stand over here. Let me.
Even I'm also showing. I'm also showing. I'm showing everybody also.
She also wants to be a YouTuber. She will take vlogs. No?
Yeah, I'm also going to be one.
Oh, you also want to be a YouTuber?
Yeah.
भाई हमारे खानदान में सब फोटोग्राफर और व्लॉगर्स होने वाले हैं. तैयारी रखो. So yes, and making you meet my sister-in-law, जिसको जबरदस्ती चेंज कराया मैंने और आके बैठ गई. ऐसे आना है.
आज नहीं कल.
बोल रही आज मुझे मत दिखाओ, कल दिखाओ. तो लास्ट टाइम की तरफ
And here, so quickly. So the cat.
Say hi.
Hi.
So she's the second darling. They're all darlings. And yeah, Santa, though you all know who is Santa of the family.
Hello.
Hmm? No, you all guys know. Okay, I'm vlogging. Guys, chill.
गाडीचा नंबर देऊन टाका मला.
Ethan, you like my new dress?
तुम्ही नंबर देऊ
भारत
नका.
करा.
मॅडम घेऊन
Merry Christmas to everybody.
You like my dress?
Santa, don't you think your stomach is coming out too much?
No, I am off season now.
Santa has kept his phone, his remote, another phone, everything. It's become a table stand. His stomach has become a
He's
table stand.
drinking water. He's drinking water. You don't know.
This is suitcase.
ठीक आहे मॅडम.
Can you believe it? 1 minute, let me show people. His stomach has become a stand. What stand?
And this is my off season body.
जाऊ दे जाऊ.
That is
This
oxygen
is
body.
this is his off-season body.
Yeah.
Season time में पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
When he goes in water, he breathes it in oxygen.
He also wants to be a YouTuber.
हाय करता है चालू रहते हैं उसका
हाँ?
वीडियोस बनाते हैं.
सब मेरे
इतने में वीडियो कभी
मम्मी
बनाते हैं इस पे.
आप पूछते हो ना ईतन और मियारा किसके ऊपर गए हैं? इकलौती आपकी बहू छोटी बहू के ऊपर गए. Yes, Mr. Ronald D'Souza, please get the hookah. So we are going to have hookah. We're going to eat. I'll show you what are the snacks. And tomorrow we're going out, and you'll get to see more updates.
Don't do like that.
Let me show you the Christmas tree and everything. Star lag chuka hai. Let me show you the star. So this is the star outside the house. जो लग चुका है. And my mom-in-law likes to grow plants. पूरा plants है. Please, Itu.
That this is his oxygen tank. When he goes in water, he breathes in that.
So you are a vlogger?
Yeah.
A छोटा vlogger. Tutu vlogger.
Mama, I want to use.
Stop laughing if I tell you guys what is happening in the house. Oh god. Okay, Shisha is going to start now. And I'm going to show a sneak peek of what we're eating. And Shisha. And then catch you guys tomorrow. Oh god. I don't know where's the Shisha. Wait, let me check where's the Shisha.